Getting the SIM card not registered on network, emergency calls only error on your Xiaomi phone? Don't worry, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the best step-by-step solutions to solve this issue. So let's jump right in. Now for starters, open the dialer of your phone. Dial star hash 4636 hash star. This will take you to the testing menu. And here select phone information 1 or phone information 2, depending on the SIM slot you're having trouble with. If your SIM slot is on the first slot, select phone information 1. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 5 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Reset the APN settings. Sometimes your access point name settings can get misconfigured. Go to Settings, then tap Mobile Networks. Now select your SIM. After that, tap on access point names. Tap the reset icon in the bottom. This will restore the correct carrier settings. Just select your SIM carrier name after this. Your SIM will not work if you don't select your carrier from here. Once this is done, go back. Now tap on preferred network type. Select prefer LTE if you have set this to something else. After that, restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Go to your phone settings, then tap on more connectivity options. Scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, give your phone a restart. I hope your problem is fixed now. Your SIM should be registered and working perfectly on your Xiaomi phone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy Xiaomi tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.